what's up? Very good. In today, today is Sunday. It's very hot. Stay home and make the video about pronunciation with what sounds. Yeah, what what sound. This is consonant sounds you can hear after beginning as wet, one, and when, and the middle of the words as beware. You also the sounds quick, queen. Now let's practice. Listen and repeat. Wet, one, when, beware, quick, queen. Okay. Similar sounds w and f. This sound wet and wet. Now listen carefully. What my lip, wet, 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 wet. Now you try. Listen words and repeat. Wet, wet. Now more example words, while, boys, west, west, very, very. Now you try. Listen and repeat words, verse, while, west, best, very, very. Okay, and that's done for today. Good luck and goodbye.